Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you 10 easy ways to lose weight naturally and also backed by science. There is a lot of bad weight loss information on the internet. Much of what is recommended is questionable at best and not based on any actual science. However, there are several natural methods that have actually been proven to work. Here are 10 easy ways to lose weight naturally. The first one is add protein to your diet. When it comes to weight loss, protein is the king of nutrients. Your body burns calories when digesting and metabolizing the protein you eat. So a high protein diet can boost metabolism up to 80 to 100 calories per day. A high protein diet can also make you feel more and reduce your appetite. In fact, some studies shows that people eat over 400 fewer calories per day are on high protein diet. Even something as simple as eating a high protein breakfast like eggs can have powerful effect. The next one is eat whole single ingredient foods. One of the best thing you can do to become healthier is to base your diet on whole single ingredient foods. By doing this, you eliminate the vast majority of added sugar and added fat and processed foods. Most whole foods are naturally very filling, making it a lot easier to keep within the healthy calorie limits. Furthermore, eating whole foods are also provide your body with many essential nutrients that is needed to function properly. Weight loss often follows as a natural side effect of eating whole foods. Next one, avoid processed foods. Processed foods are usually high in added sugar, added fats and calories. What's more, processed foods are engineered to make you eat as much as possible. They are much more likely to cause addictive like eating than unprocessed foods. Next one, stock up on healthy foods and snacks. Studies have shown that the food you keep at home greatly affects the weight and eating behavior. By always having healthy foods available, you reduce the chances of you and other family members eating unhealthy. There are also many healthy and natural snacks that are easy to prepare and take with you on the go. These includes yogurt, whole fruit, nuts, carrot, and hard-boiled eggs. Next one, limit your intake of added sugars. Eating a lot of added sugar is linked with some of the world's leading diseases including heart disease, type 2 diabetes and cancer. On average, American eats about 15 teaspoons of an added sugar each day. This amount is usually hidden in various processed foods, so you may be also consuming a lot of sugar without even realizing it. Since sugar goes by many names in ingredients list, it can be very difficult to figure out how much sugar a product actually contains. Minimizing your intake of added sugar is a great way to improve your diet. Next one, drinking water. There is actually truth to claim that drinking water can help with weight loss. Drinking 0.5 liters of water may increase the calories you burn by 24 to 30% for an hour afterward. Drinking water before meals may also lead to reduced calorie intake, especially for middle-aged and older people. Water is particularly good for weight loss when it replaces other beverages that are high in calories and sugar. Next one, drink unsweetened coffee. Fortunately, people are realizing that coffee is the healthiest beverage that is loaded with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Coffee drinking may support weight loss by increasing energy levels and the amount of calories you burn. Caffeinated coffee may boost your metabolism by 3 to 11% and reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes by a whopping of 23 to 50%. Furthermore, black coffee is very weight loss friendly since it can make you feel full but contains almost no calories. Next one, supplements with glucomena. Glucomena is one of the weight loss pills that have been proven to work. This water-soluble natural dietary fiber comes from the roots of konjac plant, also known as the elephant yam. Glucomena is low in calories, takes up space in the stomach and delays stomach emptying. It also reduces the absorption of protein and fat and feeds the beneficial gut bacteria. Its exceptional ability to absorb water is believed to be what makes it so effective for weight loss. One capsule is able to turn an entire glass of water into gel. The next one is avoiding liquid calories. Liquid calories come from beverages like sugar, soft drinks, fruit juices, chocolate milk, and energy drinks. These drinks are bad for health in several ways, including an increased risk of obesity. One study showed a drastic 60% increase in the risk of obesity among the children for each daily serving of sugar-sweetened beverage. It's also important to note that your brain does not register liquid calories the same way as it does solid calories. So end up adding these calories on top of everything else that you eat. Last but not least, limit your intake of refined carbs. Refined carbs are carbs that have had most of their beneficial nutrients and fiber removed. The refining process leaves nothing but easily digested carbs, which can increase the risk of overeating and diseases. The main dietary sources of refined carbs are white flour, white bread, white rice, sodas, pastries, snacks, sweets, pasta, breakfast cereals, and added sugars. That's it for this video. In the next video, I will explain you another 10 easy ways to lose weight. Thank you. Signing off. Bye bye.